Hi kids. Let's learn alphabets. Are you ready? First we trace A,
D, B, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
and we fill. Green color.
U, V, W, it's the U. How can the U's together? Alright.
This is B,
A, B, C,
and we fill. Yellow color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
Now we trace C and color of C, blue.
O, B, A, B, C, E, B, F, G, H, I, J, K,
This is
L, M,
D and
N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
D is of red color.
inspire. O, B,
Remaining alphabets will be next. Bye.